Log into Canva and search for an existing design template to use. You can also browse through the hundreds of free templates to use. I'll select this one just to show you how to do it. I created a new page and paste my design. I already had a background from a song cover. All I did was copy-paste for it to fit these new dimensions. As you can see, I leave the middle part free to fit any video loop that you wish to add. Proceed to download and save in PNG format. Dimension should be 1080 pixels.